How to change the video quality on Sony ZV-1 camera. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to show you how you can change the video quality of our Sony ZV camera, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now maybe you want to record in a high res or a low res or a medium res depending on what is it and what the SD card supports. Now for this, all you have to do is, first of all, on the right hand side you can see the menu button. Just click the menu button and you'll see different type of settings where you can use this wheel to go ahead and then customize, right? So we are simply going to go to one of these options here, so just keep scrolling here, and once you go to a certain setting over here which you will be able to see, so here under this movie one setting you will see this. So this is where we have to customize the settings. So first of all, you can see file format. File format is, you can see this, the first option, which is XAVC as 4K, will let you record in 4K. The second one will let you record in 1080p. The third one will let you record in, let's say, 720p and so on. So if you want to set to 4K quality, you can select 4K. Now even inside 4K there are something known as FPS and quality, right? So under it you can see this option here, record setting. So now when you go to record setting, the higher this the higher the file size and the quality is going to be. So that's just a thing you want to keep in mind. You can see 24p, 24, 30 FPS, and whatever else it is, 30p at 100 MB and so on. So if you want though, you can change this to, let's say, XAVC. Now in my case 1080p is just good for me, so I select that, and here I can just select the ones that I like as well. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then change the video quality. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.